Hey everybody, it's Kate with the TMS Center of Colorado. I wanted to show you what a TMS train for the standard left fast protocol looks and sounds like. So this is what a standard left fast train sounds like. That is one train. A patient will have multiple trains throughout their session. The trains will hit the same spot over and over again. And depending on the protocol, we are either doing an excitatory protocol to get things stimulated in your brain or an inhibitory protocol to slow things down in your brain. Protocols are determined by your doctor. And the nice thing about the TMS Center of Colorado is we use only board certified psychiatrists. So you will get the best care with the most expertise.